Alright, these are the parking garage elevators at Ronald Reagan National Airport. Vandal resistant Schindlers. Okay, this time it worked. Oh, interesting cab. I like these.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Alright, let's go up. Oh, do you get a view of the skyline from the garage?
Somewhat.
Okay, we'll go down to G and let's get off at 5. I want to see what kind of views y'all get. Okay, I'm gonna go down. You can push a button from here too. Here's the ground floor. Now we're gonna go up to 5. Schindler elevators. Let's get off here. And that's it.